We have a Minor Weston 2182 here. We can thank the airlines for doing some damage here. You can kind of see here, pushed in and cracked. Next we're going to pull this branch. What I mean by pull is not just... We're going to unsolder it nicely. We're going to make this round again, because in the damage it made this tubing that should be nice and round. It is pinched and twisted. It's kind of hard to see until you get up real close, but as soon as you start running your fingers like this, you can tell that it's clearly not round. So we got some work to do. We'll make it nice. The tube might look a little bit different than it did last time. It's missing something. We pulled the branch off that was badly dented in. So yesterday we ended up having to strip the lacquer on the whole piece, and we'll re-lacquer that once we get it on. You can see on the wall here we have various dent barrels that graduate in size as they go to the various columns there. So painstakingly went through with each dent ball, tapping in, and bringing this back around until we were happy with it. Then we did a little bit of tapping to get some of the bulging and various things that happen when you do such a repair. So we got that all done. And I got this crunch that was right where that brace was, and if you look real closely you can see that a bunch of little spider cracks on this side, and on this side we have a long crack. And today what Matt's going to do is he's going to make... We thought about maybe brazing this crack and whatnot, but we were gonna compromise we'd have to take this off and all sorts of stuff because the heat's so intense. We thought what we'd do is we'd make a nice patch that's the same shape as the foot of the original brace, and put that right over all of this out of nickel silver, so it's just gonna look just like a bigger foot of the brace that was originally on it. So that's where we're at right now. Matt's gonna work on that this afternoon, and then we will start putting it back together.
I just got this part from Kevin, and I found this really nice piece of nickel sheet here, and I'm gonna shape it with these shears here and make it bigger than the old footprint to cover these cracks. Yeah, so, I mean, that's a pretty rough one. And now I'm just going to keep shaping it down from this. Okay, so our football is pretty much done. So it's going to go right like that. Now I'm going to go anneal it. That's pretty hot. Yeah, so now I'm hammering it round, and I'm moving the patch along the contour of the mandrel so I can get that round shape. And I'm tapping very evenly so there's no high spots or low spots or hammer marks. So it's less that I have to file and sand when I finish it and actually put it on the horn, or when Kevin does, when he fits everything. So now, doing my last bit of filing on the sides to make sure the sides are nice and smooth. And when I'm sanding, you can kind of see all the little uneven spots, the darker spots and the lighter spots. I'm trying to get all those even. That's from the hammering. So I'm trying to get super smooth. Now it's getting smooth. Okay, so I got the patch all shaped and filed down and sanded. I have it placed on here just held in place with some steel binding wire. So it's all nice and close, and it's not going to be a big bump from the actual horn to the patch. So now I'm going to solder it on. Looks good. Do a little bit on the bottom.
So they move off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure. No problem.
Cool.
Eat before I leave this. Power slide's good and bent on this side.
Okay, let's buff. Turned out nice.